Hi, welcome to this brand new episode. Let's learn about healthy and delicious fruits name. Cherry, banana, lemon, nut, pineapple, star fruit, coconut, mango, orange, apricot, melon, papaya, dragon fruit, apple, lychee, peach, strawberry, raspberry, grapes, passion fruit, grapefruit, plum, pear, kiwi, custard apple, watermelon, blackberry, blueberry, pomegranate. See you in the next episode. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.